Hi guys, this is Dibina, and so far the lockdown is treating me good. At least I can say that I am coping up well, or I have been able to cope up well with the new ways of living inside the house. I know we are all stuck up in the house, but then there is still some kind of this uneasy feeling, things going on in the mind as to what is going to happen in the future, when are we going to step out of the house, and all those stuff. But yes, every day is a day of learning, and in this lockdown also I have learned a lot of things about myself, which is absolutely new. The first and foremost thing I would say is that things that we used to feel are utmost necessity for the girls, like going to the salon, going to the nail salon, having like long acrylic nails and all, which always used to look very nice, and I always felt that okay fine, I cannot ever do without them. But as and when the lockdown started, just 15 days into it, I cut them down myself and made them shorter, and was wearing nail polish after every 5 days or 7 days, because while you're doing the household work the nail polish goes off. And now I have learned to keep absolutely nice normal unpolished nails, clean hands, and which I never felt that I would also have, I would also possess, or I would rather flaunt. But I am doing that and I'm feeling good about it. Managing your own hair, managing your own skincare, managing your own DIYs, making homemade hair packs, taking care, all in all, taking care of yourself, taking care of myself from head to toe. I never knew that I would be self-sufficient to do at home. Not only that, I have tried doing haircut of my husband Gurmeet, and I thought it would be a fun video, it would be for fun, but I realized, oh my god, I am doing that also pretty well. Human beings are just an outcome of the environment and how the environment is shaping them up. And I think the current scenario is shaping up into better self-sufficient and I think better human beings. And the day we come out, we are different, in the world would be different, and this change is the new way of living, because we always knew the change is the new constant, and the change that we have all adapted would be the new ways of living. So have a great stay at home, enjoy the time that you are having with your family, in case if you're staying with your family, because there are so many people who are not there with the family, and who are not there with the family at this moment during the lockdown. Learn this phase of being thankful to the universe for all the small things that happens around us. This lockdown has also taught me to be thankful to the moments that life gives me, and I will always cherish that. I think I will never complain about working too much. I will never complain about I think nothing, because anything else overpowering us is a very not such a great feeling. And I just wish that the world heals up fast and we are all able to meet our friends and get back to work and do the normal ways of living very, very soon. Good luck.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.